Hello, today I've got two tire shines here, specifically foaming tire shines. We've got the STP can here, Son of a Gun. This costs $5, has 1 pound, 5 ounces, that's 595 grams. We've got the Dollar Tree brand here. This is Driver's Choice. This is 227 grams. Both of these, like I said, are foaming tire shines. So you can get 5 cans of the Driver's Choice for the same price as 1 can here. 2.5 cans, a little more than 2.5 cans is equivalent to the content of 1 can of Son of a Gun here. So Son of a Gun, let's see, shake well before using. Spray evenly on sidewall 6 inches away in one circular motion. No wiping, no buffing can be applied to wet or dry tires. For best results, first wash off excessive dirt, clean extra dirty white walls with degreaser cleaner. Safe for all wheel surfaces. Do not spray on brake, rotors, drums, floors, or cycle tires. Okay, so we've got the Driver's Choice here. Shake well, apply to clean surfaces, hold can 4 to 6 inches away from tire surface, spray liberally or evenly on a clean, dry surface, wipe off excess. Foaming tire shine will take 3 to 5 minutes to dry for best results. Wait 15 minutes after application before driving. Spinning tire may splash unabsorbed product onto body panels. Apply as needed to maintain surface appearance. Alright, so both of them pretty much are applied the same way, about 4 to 6 inches away. Apply it liberally to the tire. Spray and clean the tires off, which I have done here. So I've got 2 tires I'm going to be working on today. We're going to put Son of a Gun on one of these, probably the front one here, and then the back we'll put the Driver's Choice. So you can see they are in the same condition. They are the same tire, same brand. Okay, here we go, we're shaking this up. This is the Son of a Gun. You can see, just apply it here, and it starts dissolving and it ends up with a nice shine there. Son of a Gun actually says that it cleans, dissolves dirt and grime. So I'm going to do 6 inches away. Okay, on the back now, we're going with the Driver's Choice. Again, 4 to 6 inches away. I don't really like the spray action as much with the Driver's Choice here. Okay, let's let these dry. Probably wait total of 15 minutes. So I'll get right back. Okay, we're only at like 3 minutes, and I just wanted to point something out already. This is the Son of a Gun STP. Look how much is actually drained off of the tire. See, that is a very small amount. Okay, now I put this on first. We put the driver's choice on last, and look how much has drained off of here. That's half of the content that I sprayed on is already on the ground here. I can see, you know, they're almost dry here because most of it's on the ground. So I'm going to wait another minute or so and I'll give you a better look at the tires. Alright, here we are at about 6 minutes, 7 minutes, and you can see there's hardly any of the STP that is drained off from the tire to the concrete here. And you kind of see that, you know, it is taking some dirt and grime. It's kind of a dirty off-white look there. Pretty impressed actually with the Son of a Gun. I really didn't expect that it would be such a big difference. This right here, driver's choice. Look how much has formed on the ground there. It's pretty much everything that I put on the tire. I can't even tell a difference before and after. At 6 minutes, I'd be able to drive away. There's just a little bit down here left on the tire, so I'd be able to drive away with that. 7 minutes, I guess, still wet. But most of the Son of a Gun foam shine has stayed on the tire, and it looks great. So we're at the 15-minute mark now, ready to drive off the Son of a Gun here. I think it looks great, just like what the can said, very shiny. This is what you would expect here. Driver's choice, a little different here is what we have, a little dry looking, pretty much like it was before. It's even dried off from the concrete here. So when I was spraying this on the driver's choice, I noticed that there was a huge discharge, it seemed like, when I was spraying it, and it was just feeling like I was losing a lot. And I have about a half can, believe it or not, just from doing that one tire. The Son of a Gun still feels completely full, and I did notice that when I was spraying it, it didn't seem like much was coming out, yet it was foaming up big time. A lot more foam. If you do look back at the video, came from the Son of a Gun when I first started spraying. I even got closer because this said 4 to 6 inches with this stuff, and it didn't foam up as much. It just completely, it seemed like it started draining from the tire as soon as I sprayed it on. So anyway, the results that I have here is trying to buy this stuff for $1, and you can buy 5 cans of it for $5 can of this stuff. However, it's not going to save, it won't save me any more money than what I've done here today. I can actually get a little more than 2.5 cans of this stuff as far as the content. Bigger can here, and it's just a waste of time, really. So that's what I found here today. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it's been helpful. And until next time, guys, thank you. Have a great day. Take care.